Hi guys, I'm Vaishnavi Gawale and welcome to my channel Great Minds. Today we will see an important topic from the data structure, that is stack. And first we'll try to understand the concept and then we'll see how we can implement it. So basically, in simple words, stack is used to store data in which data can be inserted and removed from the one end. This functionality is called as LIFO principle, that is last in, first out. Means the element which is inserted last will be removed first and the element which was inserted first will come out last.
These are some real life examples of stack. Consider this jar of balls where these balls are kept into one jar. So this is the ball which was inserted first into the jar, and this is the ball which was inserted last into the jar. So at the time of removing the balls from the jar, the ball which was inserted last will come out first, and the ball which was inserted first will come out last after all these balls are removed. So this ball will be first removed, after this the next ball, and after this the next. Means the element, the ball which was inserted last will come out first. Similarly, here in the stack of the plates, consider that these plates are kept on the table. So if we have to remove these plates, if we have to take out these plates, then the plate which is kept at the top will be taken out first, and the plate which was kept at the first will be taken out last after all these above plates are removed.
Now we will see how stack actually works. Here we have considered one stack and we are going to perform some insertion and deletion operations on the given stack. For stack, the insertion is called as push operation and the deletion is called as the pop operations. These are some operations that we are going to perform on the given stack. So first we have this push A. Push A means we are going to insert this element into stack. So in stack, the elements are always inserted from the top of the stack. So this A will be inserted at the top position. Next, we have this push B. Again, it will be inserted from the top and now it will be placed above A. That is on the top location. Next, again we have push C. Again, it will be placed from the top and it will be placed above C. Next, we have D. This D will again get pushed on the top location, top of the stack, and it will be get pushed above C. Now these are the push operations. When we come to the next pop operation means deleting the element that is present on the top of the stack. So whatever element that is present on the top of the stack, that will get removed. So after executing the pop operation, the top element will get deleted. Next, after performing again one more pop operation, the element which is at the top of the stack again will get removed. So after performing pop, my C will also get deleted. After performing one more pop operation, this B which is at the top of the stack currently will also get removed. Next, after pop, we have one more push operation, that is insert operation. Now again, if I have to insert this E, again this E will be inserted to the top of the stack, that will be above your E. So this is how your push and pop operations are going to be performed on stack. We will see its algorithm and implementation in our next lectures. Thank you.